Welcome back to Geometry, Chapter 5, Section 4 in this book, Midsegment Theorems. So, I had to go find my piece of paper for this. Isn't this lovely? Now, mine doesn't exactly work because my lines aren't exactly straight. So this is, you have to pretend. Alright, if you take a piece of paper and you fold it, or your triangle, and you fold it in half, then these two sides are equal. This point is the midpoint. If we turn it and fold it here, these two sides are equal. That's the midpoint. I forgot which one I showed you before. I think this one. If I fold it here, these two sides are equal. That's the midpoint. If you then take the top vertices and fold it down where those two midpoints are, down to the other one, it makes a line. This line is parallel to this line. And it's also, the length of it is exactly 1/2. It also works every way you turn the triangle. So this line is parallel to this line, and it's 1/2. This line is parallel to this line, and it's 1/2. Kind of makes sense? So this is called the mid-segment of a triangle theorem. If you connect the mid-segments, it makes parallel lines where one is half the other. So, for example, CD is half the length of AB, and AB is parallel to CD. Also, this line is parallel to that one, and this line is parallel to that one. So, here's a problem. Here I have a triangle. I have marked the midpoints, and I drew a line on one of them, and I know the length of this line is 8, and I know the length of that line is 12. So the question is, how long is UW? Well, UW is parallel to RS, so it's half RS. See, these two are parallel, and half of 12 is 6. Okay, let's do the next one. RT. RT is this one. It's parallel to that one. 8 is half of RT, so RT is double that, 16. Good? Let's do another one. Here's our triangle ABC, and here are our midpoints L, M, N. Those two are equal, those two are equal, these two are equal. So my first question says, LM is parallel to what? What's the line that is parallel to LM? It's BC. Those two are the parallel ones, if it was neater than it is. Okay? If AC is 20, so that's 20. If AC is 20, what would LN be? Well, it would be half of it, wouldn't it? So it would be 10. Ta-da! Now the next one says is if NC, just this little bit, is 9, what is LM? Well, if NC is 9, that means BN is also 9, and the whole thing is 18. 9 plus 9 is 18. Half of 18 is 9. So LM is 9. Not hard, right? There are additional problems in your book that I'm not going to go over because I want you to use your calculator. I want you to use your distance program, your midpoint program on it. If you don't have these would be under program, if you don't have them, you need to get them. You can find them on the internet and download them onto your calculator through your computer. Or you can get them from me if you're nearby. Come by, I've got cables, I'll plug it into your calculator and mine, and I'll give you the programs. But this is 2020, we got to embrace our calculator and know how to use it. And that would be the TI-84 graphing calculator. Alright? And they don't pay me any money for always promoting their calculator, so I do it for free. Alright, so math is great. I'll see you for the next section. That wasn't too bad, was it? I thought it was kind of fun, kind of interesting. You get this little exact replica triangle in the middle. All right.